Well, we're out here in the shop today. Someone insinuated I had a clean shop, so we had to fix that. Working on the bowsprit for the 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory. We got some measurements today, cut it out, put a taper from the tip down to where it goes through the stem, and spent an hour or so sanding that down, getting that ready. I'm pretty happy with it. We're not sure how it compares to stock bowsprit, but we can go sailing with this one. Get going. And how it works for the dabber is the jib comes down, it has this little ring on the end of it. Right now we've just got it kind of hanging there. There's a wire rope in the left there, and it pulls tension on that. The jib hired up to the top of the mast, and there's also a forestay that comes down to help support the mast too. We'll make sure we got the right geometry. What I've seen on some of the boats is they've got a little peg. Once we figure out exactly where we want that loop to go, this little peg or something that goes through. I don't know if we'll do a peg or maybe we put a little notch or something in there to keep the bottom of the jib from coming any further back. That's how that'll work. Coming into the dock or somewhere tied up on a mooring, you might want to pull it back, get out of the way so somebody doesn't come in and snap it off. Like we said, up here on the stem, the jib stay hooks up there, so you don't need the bowsprit other than if you're going to use the jib. And it just looks jaunty. So anyway, Doug, yeah, we got a little sawdust, few little shavings going today. I think we pulled out just about all the little power tools to get the shape going. We cut the basic shape down with the roundover bit on a router, and then take it down a little more with the belt sander. Final finish with the hand sander and a little piece of 120 grit. Jigsaw, cut a few notches for where the bowsprit notches into the mast thwart. And we got to use a couple of the new planes we bought recently. Bought this little finger plane that worked pretty nice. Take care of some things. It's a smoke shave. Got a lot of the big stuff off with that also. I know everyone's going, oh my gosh, don't store your planes laying on the blades, but we retract the blades so they're not in contact with anything, or if we do, we put them on a piece of wood because the blade's meant to contact anyway. So we generated a little more sawdust using the table saw and chop saw, just so we can make Doug happy. So hope y'all are doing great out there. And here in Florida, if we survive Ice-Mageddon for 2 hours tomorrow morning, we'll be doing all right too. But hope y'all are having a great evening. And Victory, Zip, and Winnie all say good night.